Hi, my name is Alyssa Nyman. I'm a freshman at Indiana University, and I'm majoring in elementary education with a minor in Spanish. I hope to one day teach third grade. This is my About Me page. W200 has showed me that technology is very important to include in my future classroom. Technology is very relevant in today's world, and it helps students collaborate with each other while also having access to resources that they would not have without the technology. This is my professional development page. On this page, I have two charts that show my growth from the beginning of the course to the end, and this shows my knowledge of each technology usage and how much I know about it. These are all of the badges that I've earned throughout this course. Each badge is something that I plan on using in my future classroom, like Kahoot. There's a meme badge. I can hang those around my room. I can create concept maps of the lessons that I do, and so on. This is my ISTE standards page. On this page, I list every ISTE standard for educators, and on the right side, I talk about how I've met each standard. This is my gallery page. On this page, I have 4 of my biggest accomplishments from this class. Each one is something that I've done in the W200 course. My first project is my problem-based learning lesson plan. I believe problem-based learning is an extremely crucial aspect of learning in the classroom. Students gain a lot more information when they are able to research on their own and not just fed information from the teacher. In this lesson, I've incorporated a lot of technology, including students doing their own research and also creating their own food webs. My next project was the digital citizenship artifact. For this artifact, I talked about the Talking Safely Online lesson plan, which is linked here. For this, I created a Kahoot. In the Kahoot, I made questions based off of the lesson plan so that when the students take the Kahoot, they're able to review the information that they were taught, and I can track their progress as well to see if they're really understanding the material. For my third project, I did the production tasks badge. For this badge, I created an instructional video on how to solve a math problem. This is going to be extremely helpful in my future classroom because I will be able to save class time by just having the students watch these videos at home instead of me explaining them, and they are able to work at their own pace by pausing the video whenever they feel necessary so that they can learn the best they can. For my last project, I created a s'more newsletter. This is going to be extremely helpful in my future classroom because I can get in touch with the parents very easily. Instead of having to send out a bunch of emails, I am able to send out one newsletter with all of the information that they will need, as well as my contact information in case there are any questions. This is going to be extremely helpful and an efficient way to get in touch with every child's guardian. In my future classroom, I plan on incorporating many aspects of W200, such as the Kahoots, the Ed puzzles, the s'more newsletters, the Jeopardy game, the production badge, and the hour of code, all to help my students to enrich their knowledge with the technology that I provide. The Kahoot and the Ed puzzle, Jeopardy, all of those can be used as review games, which will really help the students to know where they stand with the information, and it will tell me if they're understanding it as well. W200 has helped me realize how important technology is in the classroom. I can see now that it is extremely crucial to put technology into your lesson plans and to integrate it so that your students have the best chance at learning and getting the most out of your lesson as possible. It also gives students an opportunity to collaborate with each other and discuss their research with one another and also with other peers that they might meet online. Technology is an extremely important resource for the classroom, and there are many opportunities that come with it that students would not have without it.